friends, welcome back to my channel. As promised, we have brought just for you the upcoming mega projects in the renowned city of Ahmedabad. This old beautiful city is all set to don a new look very soon. Plenty of mega projects are planned up by the government to tap into its unimaginable potential. So fasten up your seatbelts as we go on a tour to understand these mega projects. But before we proceed, I would urge you to please like, share and subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon positively to remain updated. Ahmedabad is the most populous city in the Indian state of Gujarat. It is the administrative headquarters of the Ahmedabad district and the seat of the Gujarat High Court. Ahmedabad has emerged as an important economic and industrial hub in India over the years. It is the second largest producer of cotton in India, due to which it was known as the Manchester of India along with Kanpur. Ahmedabad Stock Exchange was the country's second oldest. Cricket is a popular sport in Ahmedabad too. The effects of liberalization of the Indian economy have energized the city's economy towards tertiary sector activities such as commerce, communication and construction. In the 19th century, the textile and garments industry received strong capital investment. On 30th May 1861, Ranchhodlal Chotalal founded the first Indian textile mill, the Ahmedabad Spinning and Weaving Company Limited, followed by the establishment of a series of textile mills such as Calico Mills, Bagicha Mills and Arvind Mills. By 1905, there were about 33 textile mills in the city. The textile industry further expanded rapidly during the First World War and benefited from the influence of Mahatma Gandhi's Swadeshi movement, which promoted the purchase of Indian-made goods. Having understood various facets about the charismatic city of Ahmedabad, let's move ahead to understand the top 5 biggest mega projects that are coming up in this city of grandeur. Please watch this video till the end, as plenty of new projects have been included in this list. Interestingly, we'll move in the descending order depending on the nature of the mega project. Fifth up is the Sabarmati Ashram redevelopment project. The Gujarat government has embarked upon an ambitious project to redevelop Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram and expand it from its present 5 acres to approximately 55 acres. The redevelopment will involve restoring all heritage buildings that were built during the Mahatma's time in 1917, relocating families that lived there and bringing to life Gandhiji's philosophy and message for those visiting the ashram. The project, being monitored by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, includes plan to spend 1,200 crore to turn the Sabarmati Ashram into a world-class memorial with facilities and amenities to allow all ashram visitors to have a truly educational and immersive experience with full measure of the meaning and significance of Mahatma Gandhi's life, work, philosophy and message to the world. Reports say that the project will be under the direct supervision of the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister. This is in keeping with the present government strategy to appropriate and commercialize all Gandhian institutions in the country. The state government has emphatically held that a redevelopment project, also known as the Gandhi Ashram Memorial and Precinct Development Project, will be done in a manner that is respectful of the original ashram's ethos, as it will retain the values that Gandhiji preached, which is austerity, simplicity and authenticity. The project has faced litigation in the courts, but the latter has rejected them recently. It is expected that the project will be completed in a time-bound manner. Fourth up is the Ahmedabad Metro project. Ahmedabad Metro is an urban mass rapid transit system being built by Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation Limited, formerly known as Metro Link Express for Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. Construction work on Ahmedabad Metro's Phase 1 with routes of 39.259 km started in 2015 and is expected to be completed in 2024. In February 2016, the Gujarat state government allocated a sum of 2 crore in its 2016-2017 state budget and appointed the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation to prepare Phase 2's detailed project report. In February 2019, India's Union Cabinet approved the construction of a 28.254 km Phase 2 with 2 corridors, a northward extension of Line 2 with a short spur. Its foundation stone was laid by the Prime Minister on March 4, 2019. While only 6 km of metro line is operational currently, 54 km is under construction and will be put to public use in coming years. Therefore, citizens of Ahmedabad will be riding on the metro very soon without a shade of doubt. Coming in the third position is the Sabarmati Riverfront Redevelopment Phase 2 project. The concept plan and design development for Phase 2 has given emphasis on greener development, having stepped green multi-layered promenades, excellent road network, active green parks, children's play area, food plaza and amphitheaters. The Sabarmati Riverfront Development Corporation Limited has given in principle approval to the concept plan and design of Phase 2 of Sabarmati Riverfront that will come up at an estimated cost of 850 crore. In addition to the beautification of the riverfront with multi-utility, multi-layered promenade, Phase 2 design is also aimed at decongesting traffic in the surrounding areas as well as offering connectivity to areas like Maninagar, Narol, Gandhinagar, North Gujarat and Sardar Patel Ring Road. The construction of barrage cum bridge will also help in maintaining water level in the river. This will address city's water requirement up to 10 to 15 days during maintenance of the Narmada canal, as sufficient water can be stored. A stepping promenade on both the sides of the river along with the road network, parks as well as residential and commercial development are also being planned. Phase 2 will have green belt on both the sides, children's play area, food plaza and an amphitheater as already said before. Thus, the mega project is under implementation and is expected to be completed in a time-bound manner. The second position has been grabbed by Ahmedabad-DHOLERA Expressways. The 109km Ahmedabad-DHOLERA Expressway by NHAI is an under-construction 4-lane access-controlled road with a route alignment connecting Sardar Patel Ring Road near Sarkhej with Dholera Special Investment Region via Dholera International Airport at Navagam. This Greenfield Expressway is part of the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor project and its land acquisition was completed in July 2020. Contracts for its construction were awarded in November 2020 to Sadbhav Engineering, GHB India and DRA Infracon. Ahmedabad-DHOLERA Expressway have been divided into 4 civil packages with a 24-month deadline. The project is being executed by NHAI and the model being used here is EPC, which stands for Engineering Procurement and Construction Model. The mega project is under implementation and is all set to be completed by March 2023. First position has been gripped by the most prestigious Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sports Enclave coming up in Naranpura, Ahmedabad. With emerging talent in sports and to encourage them, the Gujarat government will set up a huge sports complex which will be named after Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sports Enclave at the banks of Sabarmati River, Ahmedabad. This whole enclave will be spread over 233 acres of land, which will also include the Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium, which is spread over 63 acres. The enclave plan will be larger than the Indira Gandhi Sports Arena, Delhi, which is spread over 102 acres and will be completed at a cost of 4,600 crores, of which the state will invest 3,200 crores and private investment of 1,400 crores. All the stadiums and buildings will be constructed in conformity with international standards related to sports. The schools with no playground, which count as much as 600 plus, will be linked with this complex and facilities for those students will be given for a complete day. The whole complex will be well connected with transportation such as Sabarmati Bullet Train Station, Metro and BRT, which stands for Bus Rapid Transit System. The Ahmedabad city with heritage places will now be entitled as Sports City with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sports Enclave Narayanpura. The Sports Enclave will have the world's largest stadium in most of the sports with international standards by which Ahmedabad can become the sports hub of the entire country, which will host Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. As the complex is built on international standards, it can have the potential to host the most prestigious Olympics in the future as well. With this, we have come to the end of this episode of upcoming mega project in the most vibrant city of Ahmedabad. The city has immense potential to add fuel to the country's economy in the times to come. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel to remain updated and share this video with your friends and family. Also, stay tuned as coming up next is the upcoming mega projects in the city of Indore. Thank you for watching this video till then. Jai Hind.